LawnPro software tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use LawnPro software, a powerful tool designed to help lawn care businesses manage scheduling, invoicing, customer relationships, and job tracking efficiently. In case you're wondering what is LawnPro software, LawnPro software is an all-in-one business management tool for lawn care and landscaping companies, and you can get started for completely free by going onto lawnprosoftware.com, then selecting Start Your Free Trial. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page like this, and you'll be able to enter your company information. After entering the information, you're going to go on your email address, and I want you to verify it, so you're going to tap on the link right there. Then you'll be redirected to a new tab. Once on this new tab, you will now be able to set up your company, and you'll also be able to start using LawnPro software. So the first thing you're going to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on the settings cog. Then from there, you can set up your company information. So you can add in your company details right here, so you can organize all of those good stuff. After you have done that, you can also tap on set up and manage online payments. Then from there, you can connect your PayPal, as you can see right here. So you can click to connect your PayPal, so you'll be able to collect payment using PayPal. So that is definitely a good idea, as PayPal is one of the most popular and best online payment providers. Once you're finished doing that, it is now time to add your first customer and property. To add customers and properties, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap on customers. Then from there, you can select customers. After selecting customer, you're going to tap on enter new customer. And you can either choose to import customers if you already have a pre-made customer list, or you can tap on enter new customer, and you can manually do that. So you could add a title. Then after doing that, you can scroll down and you can put the business or customer name. Then you can choose since the date that they became a customer. After you have done that, you can fill in their email information and so on, as you can see right there. Once you're finished doing this, if you normally give them a discount percentage, you can fill in the discount percentage right there that you'll normally give. And you can also add in a late fee rule, as you can see right there. If you have that, you can do that. And you can scroll down and you can set up the different details, as you can see right there. Once you're finished doing that, so for example's sake, you can also add any photo or documents related to this customer or company. Then you're going to tap on save customer. So let me put in the address right there, and then I'm just going to tap on save customer. Once you have saved the customer, you will see this pop up. Do you want to add a property for this customer? And you can tap on yes. After you have tapped on yes, instead of going over to properties from the left hand menu option, you can simply put in the property name. After you have added the property name, you can select the country, and again you can add in the address and all of those information, as you can see right there. Then from there, you can add in the different measurements. So you can put in the planting size, as you can see right here. You can put in the house size. So let me do that real quick. And you can also put in the property size. So I can add in some estimates right there. You can put in the roof area, all of those information, as you can see right there. Then scrolling down, you're going to add in a service. So you'll see default items or services for this property. And let's say, for example, lawn care. So I'll just type in lawn care right here. And you can add in the quantity, and you can add in the cost. So let's say $100. And then I'll just remove the tax, or you can leave the tax as is. And you're going to tap on save property. Once it has been saved, you can see property successfully added. Do you want to add a visit for this property? Measure property, create an estimate, enter another property for this customer. So you have different options. Let's say, for example, we'll schedule a visit. So we'll tap on do you want to add a visit, and it is going to automatically carry you to the schedule right here. Then from there, you can choose whether it is a single visit, recurring visit, and you can choose the date that you will do the visit, as you can see right there. You can also add in a time if you want. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to scroll down and you can give the visit a title. So I'll just call it test, but you could call it lawn care or so on. Then you're going to scroll down, and from there you could assign it to a particular employee, and I'll be showing you how to add employees also. And you're going to scroll down, and then from there you will tap on create visit. And you can see that we have now created our first visit, as you can see right there. After you have created your visit, what I want you to do next, you can go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap on resources. After selecting resources, from here you can tap on employees, and then you can tap on add employee, and you'll be able to add your employee's name and email address. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and you can create different crews. So you could put your employees in different crews based on their roles. So you could do that right there. You can also add vendors and suppliers from the left hand menu option. And you can also list the items and services that you offer. So you can tap on add items and services and you can list the items and services right there. So this will allow you to tap on inventory items, and from there you'll be able to see all of the items that you have. You can also tap on trucks and equipment, and from here you can add your trucks and equipment, as you can see right there. And another thing when it comes onto LawnPro, and another thing when it comes onto this platform, you can also use it for automation. So you could select automations, and from there you will be able to add text message automations, so you can do follow-ups and so on. As you can see right there, you could tap on new automation, and from there you can create different automations. So you can give the automation a name, and you could tap on trigger condition. And for example, if you would like it to run at a particular time, or you like it to do something once it is added or once meeting is created, you can see right there. So let's say, for example, you like to send a text reminder to customers right before you visit. So you can do that right here where you see before a visit happens. You can tap right there. Then from there, you can select the runtime. So if you would like it to run a day before the visit, you can do that. Then you can select the action. Let's say, for example, you would like to text the company owner to remind them, or you'd like to text the customer. You can do that. Then from there, you can select the text template. So you can see the different options. So you could select one of their pre-made templates, as you can see right there. And then you can select the time that you would like to send it out. Once you're finished doing that, you can tap on add automation. So this is a good way how you can create a good customer relationship by using this platform. And let me cancel that real quick. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more, you can tap on schedule, and from here you'll be able to set up your schedule, and you'll also be able to view your schedule. So you could tap on new event and you can create a new event. You can also create recurring events by selecting recurring. You can tap on new event and you could create a recurring event. Let's say, for example, we do landscaping for a particular company and it is recurring every month or every 3 months. You can create a service like that. You can also add in your different routes by tapping on routes from the left hand menu option. You can create different routes by tapping on enable route and you'll be able to view it. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and tap on to do. And from here, we could create a to-do list if we want. And you can also use LawnPro software for time tracking. So you could select time tracking from the left-hand menu option. And once you're on the Pro plan, you'll be able to use it for time tracking. So this will allow you to create an hourly rate. And from there, you'll be able to track your employees. And you'll also be able to enable QuickBooks, which you can add onto this platform. And from there, you'll be able to manage your finances. And talking about finances, by going over to the left-hand menu option and selecting finances, from here, you'll be able to create estimates if you want. Then you can also create invoices, as you can see right here. And you can also accept payments. So you can accept payments, you can add your expenses and so on. And that's basically it. You can add the different chemicals that you use. so you can keep an inventory of the different chemicals by tapping on chemical tracking. And there are numerous other features that this platform have. For example's sake, you can use it to calculate the different sizes, so you could tap on calculators, and then you can use their mulch calculator, as you can see right here. You can also use their fertilizer calculator, and you can use their aeration calculator. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.